GrooveCart. Is this really the end of Shopify? GrooveCart is claiming to change the game, revolutionize the whole e-commerce game, and they're trying to take Shopify's throne. Coming up next in this video. Antonio Carter here, emancipatiooccupation.com, showing you how to make money online. E-commerce, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, Facebook ads, you name it, I do it. If you like the information I'm about to give on this video, please give me a thumbs up down below, drop me some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I need people like you now. Let's get it on to GrooveCart. The invention of Shopify has changed the entire e-commerce world. It has been revolutionary to the globe and to the local business owner. Shopify has helped all entrepreneurs in all walks of life in all different types of markets. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. You can own your own business, your own store online without having to go through a retailer. The power has gone from the retailer to the business owner. This has helped many solopreneurs in many different ways. For a whopping $29 a month, you can get started with your own Shopify account. That's really hard to beat if you're profiting money. However, to be honest with you, most of these stores that are extremely profitable are not getting by with just the basics. They are getting by with the more complex functionalities such as plugins to help them make more profits. Things such as countdown timers, one-click upsells. That stuff does not come with Shopify. Those are separate plugins or add-ons with Shopify, the program itself. These plugins help explode the profiting businesses to a whole nother level. But the problem is a lot of these plugins cost money. You may have a free trial, you may have something give you something free every once in a while, but I can guarantee you a lot of these things that make the invoices for you, that do the shipping for you, that do the countdown timers, they cost money. So now you go down from a $29 cart or $29 Shopify store, and because you run so much volume through your store, you now have to go up to, I think it's the $279 account, and you're adding on the plugins, which are then charging you on top of that. So now you've gone from $50, a measly $50, to over nearly $1,000, if not more, per month with your Shopify store. With my Shopify store, I sold hair. I'm black women buy hair. That's what I was targeting because I know that is a profitable niche or niche, whatever you want to call it. I ran traffic to my offers, to my products, shades, hair, things that women would buy over and over again. I did this with Bing ads and Facebook ads. So now I have the store on top of the ads, and you're talking about paying for these awesome plugins. And you're talking about paying for these plugins on top of all of that. But it's all good if you're making money, right? You have to be able to find the winning products to sell. So you have to spend the money in order to make the money. Who has deep pockets like that? Do you have deep pockets like that? Not only who has deep pockets like that, who has the time? Because you have all of these invoices coming in separately from all different directions. You don't know where your money's going. It's just going out your pocket. That's all you realize. That's probably the biggest drawback with Shopify. But if you know how to make it work, you're awesome. Kudos to you. But what if you could get all of this stuff in one platform without having to do extra plugins at a fraction of the price? That is what they are talking about doing with GrooveCart. It sounds nearly impossible, but the creators of GrooveCart is promising the functionality of a Shopify with all of the plugins streamlined in one platform so that you can make more money and spend less money. You don't have to worry about plugins and invoices. And instead of spending hundreds of bucks a month for Shopify, you're now talking spending one yearly annual price of what you would generally pay for a month for a whole year with GrooveCart. Does that sound interesting? Does that sound like a scam to you? You smell that? Does this smell like a scam? Generally, I would say yes. This definitely sounds like a scam. However, the creators of GrooveCart and the person backing the coaching and everything that's teaching all of the techniques with GrooveCart totally changed all of that for me. So the creator is Mike Filsame. You can go research him because he is the co-creator of Kartra, which is exploding on the internet marketing scenes because it's challenging ClickFunnels right now. It's an all-in-one platform that does funnels, it does landing pages, it does CRM. They even have affiliate products in the background that you can sell, a little bit like ClickBank, and that's something that ClickFunnels does not have. Oh, did I mention that they do all of this at a fraction of a price of what ClickFunnels charges? I think ClickFunnels charge like $297 in order to get the CRM going with the landing pages and the funnels, while you get the whole kit and caboodle, the whole package with Kartra. And it's very good looking software for just under $100 a month. I think it's like $87 or something. You can click the link below and you can check it out. You can be the judge for yourself on that. But Mike Filsame also created, or was the co-creator of, Webinar Jam, which I know you know about Webinar Jam. Just about every single marketer is using Webinar Jam. And he also created EverWebinar. The other gentleman teaming up with Mike Filsame, John Cornetta, is known for making six-figure Shopify businesses. So these two have teamed up to make a phenomenal product. And I'm very anxious because this is supposed to drop on September 18th. The clock is ticking at the time of this recording. It has not released, but maybe you're watching this video after the cart has released or opened. You should still be able to use this information to make a educated decision on whether you want to invest in this program or not. Because when I tell you things like integrating your old Shopify store into GrooveCart is supposed to be simple as a couple of clicks, it's rather interesting. They set things up. They thought of everything when it comes to the Shopify owner to move over to a superior product in GrooveCart. And they are calling this the more superior product to Shopify, which is very bold. But every launch that Mike Filsame has done with these new softwares, it has disrupted the industry like crazy. He does nothing but top-notch, high-performing programs that work very well. And I'll be honest with you, moving my Shopify store over to GrooveCart was my biggest concern because I figured that was a lot of work. But hey, with just a simple clicks, and it's able to integrate over the database and everything else, I'm sold. And you're telling me I don't have to pay a monthly fee? It's annual? I'm in there. So I've really become a strong proponent of Mike Filsame. I knew of him, but I really didn't care too much about him. It's just something that I saw other marketers doing, and until I really got interested into Kartra. Kartra was like the opening door for me, and then I found out about GrooveCart, and we're ahead of the game. You have to catch the wave before everybody gets in something new. There's always a wave to catch, and then all of a sudden it becomes saturated after that first or second wave. This is the time to catch the wave. It's before the holiday season, and the holiday season is the best and easiest time to make money, and you make the most money because people buy stuff all the time. So look, get into this GrooveCart. I got bonuses for you guys if you decide to purchase through my affiliate link below. Again, this cart is supposed to open September 18th. My bonuses help you drive traffic. If you know anything about me, you can check out my videos on my YouTube channel. I am I guess I would consider myself a self-proclaimed traffic expert, more so free traffic rather than paid traffic, but I do my thing with paid traffic as well. I specialize in Facebook ads. So I provided a program for you. If you decide to buy this program through me, I will provide you with traffic courses to help you ramp up your sales when it comes to your e-commerce, when it comes to your online store. One of which is to help you with YouTube ads. YouTube ads is still in its infancy stage, and you gotta get into this whole thing before too many people find out about it. I've done massive trainings with John Cornetta, and he produces massive results with the training that I've taken. And still yet, a lot of people do not market on YouTube. You don't have to be a big boy in order to spend money on YouTube and make money, but it is rather complicated and intimidating because it has so many different options. Well, guess what? I provided a training for you so that you don't have to worry about that, and you get that for free. You get that as a bonus once you buy GrooveCart through my affiliate link. I want to help you guys out I want to help change lives. That's what I'm all about. Emancipation, occupation, freedom from your jobs, and living the life that you deserve. I also got some other traffic products to go along with it. You can look at all the information below in the description on my video. I'm providing a link for you so that you can see the bonus page. I'm also providing Amazon and Alibaba stuff. This is to get your feet wet. Don't have all of your eggs in one basket. I'm pretty sure you heard that saying before, but it's definitely true. So that's what you get. Imagine becoming the expert at all things e-commerce. Your Shopify store, Alibaba, and Amazon, which all things are considered drop shipping in that case, right? And who knows, I may even add some coaching or something in there. I guess you just gotta click the link and find out what else I'm providing. So look, I hope you like this review. I'm giving you a lot of information before the initial launch. If you're watching this after the launch, you can check out some of the other videos I've created. But this video right here, I believe in GrooveCart and the creators of GrooveCart mainly. You generally buy a product or service because not of the product or service itself, but because of the person selling it to you or the individual who referred you to the product. I'm buying this for the product itself and because of who the creators of this product are. I know these guys, they're awesome. They kill it every time they release something. I'm hopping on board for this one. You don't want to miss the wave either. So there you have it. GrooveCart Shopify is about to die. GrooveCart's about to change the game, guys. It really is. Check out my information below. emancipationoccupation.com. Antonio Carter. Another awesome review. GrooveCart, a platform created by marketers for marketers. Go research the heck out of it. Just make sure you purchase through my affiliate link. I want to give away these bonuses. I really do. Drop me some lines below. Send me some comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stop slacking. Click that button.